Hi there! Is Robinhood the newest meme stock? Before I answer that question, first of all, welcome to ShazrinFinance News, where I read financial news for you, so you don't have to, because financial news are boring. So, let's begin with this video. Basically, what gave me the idea to do this video is because I've seen recent articles lately in the news saying that Robinhood is now a meme stock. A lot of articles. And I'm going to show them to you, basically, in this video. The answer may be surprising, but you have to watch until the end for you to know. Okay, now let's go. First of all, we have an article from CNN Business. So basically, Robinhood investors may have the last laugh after Lackluster IPO. So if you don't know, Robinhood recently launched their IPO a couple of weeks back. An IPO is an initial public offering. Basically, it's the first time they're selling their stock to the public. That's an IPO. So it says here, shares of Robinhood debuted at $38. The stock tumbled 8% on its first day and fell as low as $33.25 the second day. But it's since roared back up to more than 40% above the IPO price. Increased by 40% above the IPO price, okay? Okay, so far, that's what it's saying. And is now trading around $54. From $38 becomes $54. How much profit is that? And it even says, even briefly hitting a high of $85 last week. Oh yeah, just so you know, this news is from August 10th. It's why some observers are labeling Robinhood a so-called meme stock. So it's being called the meme stock because its price is so volatile right now. It's going so high at the moment. The platform that powered the meme stock movement has itself become a meme stock, sometimes to Robinhood's benefit, CNN Business, really, and sometimes to its detriment, said Jonathan Anastas, Robinhood. Okay, this is supposed to be Robinhood. That's right, grammar police. Said Jonathan Anastas. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. It's not a grammar problem. Names are not grammar problems, just so you know. Chairman of Alpha Esports Tech, a mobile gaming firm. Robinhood has had a lot of naysayers, but they have amassed millions of account holders and the marching orders are clear. So it's basically talking about how people are so negative of Robinhood because of the scandals and controversies before, but it just goes to show that they have millions of people opening accounts with them and their stock is going up. So it means people are believing in them, people are buying in them at least. Rival online trading firms are gunning for Robinhood, including Webull and eToro, which both of them are also commission-free trading platforms, just so you know. And I have links to them. If you want, you can check it below. The links in the description. Which is in the process of merging with a special purpose acquisition company, a SPAC. If you don't know what a SPAC is, basically, I've talked about it in a previous video. It's basically a shell company, a company that doesn't do anything other than the purpose of buying other companies so they can go public easier. They can sell their stock to the public easier. Basically, the simple explanation. So it too can go public, yeah, just like I said. Okay, now, next news. This is from Yahoo Finance, also 10th of August. Robinhood surges as a meme stock, but Reddit's R Wall Street Bets says not to buy. Here's the context. Robinhood, which started its Nasdaq listing last week under the ticker HOOD, in one of the most anticipated and unusual IPOs of the year, and which saw its stock altered several times due to volatility a few days later, is dealing with some backlash from Reddit's Wall Street Bets army. Now, if you don't know Wall Street Bets, it's basically a group discussion forum, I guess, in Reddit. They make stock bets basically on Reddit. I guess that's a simple explanation. Some investors are still angry at the fact that earlier this year, Robinhood halted trading of some stocks popular on the Reddit subthread r Wall Street Bets. So that was a problem earlier this year. Among the stocks involved were GameStop and also AMC was somewhat involved, but GameStop was the beginning, was the huge main cause of it. Basically, Robinhood stopped allowing people to buy GameStop stock, but still allowed them to continue selling GameStop shares. This was like hypocritical, people said this was unfair, so there was a huge backlash there. In addition, people are angry at the platform's multiple outages, which led them unable to trade, which prompted several posters suggesting shorting Robinhood stock. CNN reports. This is quite ironic because Wall Street Bets were trying to fight short sellers. Now, based on what's said here, it's basically showing that they're now trying to be short sellers themselves. Pretty ironic. But I'm pretty sure it's not like the whole community of Wall Street Bets wants to be short sellers doing this. Robinhood, the platform for meme stock trading itself, became a meme stock. That's basically the conclusion based on the current situation. Despite the anger, the stock was up 65% last Wednesday at $77. So conclusively, the stock was up 120% for the week according to CNBC. So 120%, so basically last week it was about $40 and now this week is $88 basically. If you're talking 120%, I'm just giving you an example. Moving on, next news. So this is from Barron's.com. Robinhood is different from meme stocks in one key way. Wait, what? So the news before this said Robinhood is a meme stock, but another article saying that it's not a meme stock, it's different but in one key way. So what is this key way? Is Robinhood a meme stock? The evidence is persuasive. Strong interest from retail investors and substantial options activity. And like those stocks, its movement doesn't appear to be tied to any particular piece of news. So that's the similarities between the meme stocks, other meme stocks, and Robinhood right now. They have strong interest from retail investors, substantial options activity, and its movement doesn't appear to be really tied to news. Yet, Robinhood lacks one major ingredient for it to be a meme stock. One major ingredient. There is very little short interest in Robinhood compared with the bullish buying going on at the moment. Meaning there is likely no short squeeze at play. So basically, the difference between Robinhood and other meme stocks is other meme stocks had a lot of people buying it to the point that its price was going up high, but the difference is other meme stocks had a lot of people shorting them, but Robinhood doesn't. So if you don't understand shorting, I explain. Shorting is basically where you're betting that the stock will go down. It's basically like that. A simple answer. Long is you're betting it will go up. Short is basically you're betting it will go down. It's not actually a bet, but I guess to make it simple, sure, consider it a bet. The upward stock price pressure in Robinhood is not a short squeeze for the simple reason that there has not been enough time for a large short position in Robinhood to be accumulated. In Ihor Dusanispi of S3 Partners, a data analytics firm, told Barron's. So basically it says Robinhood, the stock price going up is not a short squeeze because there's just not enough time for people to short Robinhood because it just launched its IPO. It's a new stock. It's like 2 weeks in. So people don't have enough time to short it enough for it to be a meme stock. In conclusion, basically, sure, Robinhood, its price is going way up with no fundamentals whatsoever backing it up at the moment. It's just going sky high, continues going sky high, very volatile. But, even though it has huge signs of being a meme stock, but it is not a meme stock for the simple reason that people aren't shorting it like other meme stocks. That's just it. And this, people, is why I wouldn't buy IPOs, in my opinion. It could be different for you. Even though I'm a financial advisor, this is not financial advice because I don't know who you are and what kind of person you are. So I cannot give you specific financial advice. But basically, IPOs are usually like this. For the first few days or weeks, their price tend to go up, but usually, historically, statistically, most IPOs will come back down after the hype is over. after the IPO has passed for quite some time. So we'll see with Robinhood if that's true, because most likely it will go back down in the future. But right now it's just going up as I'm recording this video, so we'll just see. That's my take. Thanks for your time. Also, please like this video. I mean, you've watched it till the end. I know you like it. Come on, I know you like it. And also, please watch this previous video. It's about student loans. Maybe you're thinking of getting it for yourself, or maybe for your son, niece, nephew, grandchild, whatever, or just watch my other videos. But hey, I'm just recommending you my previous video right now. Subscribe for more.